So you want to learn how to do RIZZ? I got you. I'm going to teach you not only how to do RIZZ, but how to show it on Omegle with audio. We're going to need 5 apps or softwares to do this successfully. Number 1, you're going to need Streamlabs OBS or regular OBS if you're not recording for a video, but most of y'all are going to be recording for a video. Second, you are going to need Davinci Resolve or whatever editing software you use. Thirdly, you would need Capcut. Fourth, you would need regular OBS. And last but not least, you would need VoiceMod. Download Streamlabs if you don't have it already. You're going to need this to record the video that you are going to transform into an edit. If you're not a content creator, you can just use the base OBS for this step. And if you're wondering how to record, you just click record right here. That's simple. When you open up Davinci Resolve, this is where you're going to do the syncing or the velocity. Now that you got Davinci Resolve open, all you're going to do is make a new project and you're going to drag the file into Davinci Resolve. Y'all are also going to drag in the song that y'all want to use for the edit and make sure to cut it out right before the beat drops. For the start of the clip, cut out around 0.50 seconds of the normal clip, and you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on retime controls, and then when you do that, this clip will change. You will click that, change the speed to 400 or 800, personal preference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this. I'm going to right click this as well, and I'm going to change the speed to 50%. If it's still a little too fast, you can change to 25% as well. This look a little choppy, so I'm going to keep it on 50%, and make sure as well you sync it up so it's going to say, okay, so now that I got the intro clip done, now I'm finna do the same thing for this clip as well. Okay, so now that we did the same thing for each of the clips, now you're going to render the video. After the video renders, I'm going to show y'all how it looks so far without it. For this step of Capcut, there is 2 different ways you can edit on Capcut. You can edit your video on the desktop version of Capcut, or you can edit on your phone. Me personally, I like to edit my videos on my phone, so I'm going to show you how to edit the videos on your phone. What you want to do is you want to go to the file location where you saved the video. You just simply drag it in and you wait till it uploads. Now, how to do it from your phone. I am currently screen recording right now on my phone, so I'm going to put it up right here. So you're going to go to Google Drive on your phone. I press the 3 dots right there, send a copy, then save video. Now, once the video is done saving, you want to open up Capcut. You want to go to new project. You want to click on the video and press add. For the effects, starting first, I love to use the mist dissipates effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that out throughout the whole clip, and now it looks like this. Now I am going to go to body effects. I'm going to press the clone. In body effects, I love to use the X clone. So I'm going to use the X clone about right here, and let's see how this looks now. I'm going to upload this. Done. I'm going to go back to the Hey folder. I'm going to upload photos and videos, and I'm just going to simply re-upload it back to the folder from my phone. Now that it's done, we're going to go back to my PC. Gonna press download. Now that OBS is open, as you're going to see, my webcam is black. It's because I'm recording, but right now I'm going to deactivate my webcam on my recording, and now I'm about to reactivate my webcam through OBS. Now y'all can see me. So I'm finna show y'all how I do my RIZZ. So right now it doesn't have audio, just because of the fact I'm trying to show y'all the OBS part, not the audio part, but this is how I do my transition. So it's going to be like this. As y'all can see, I'm just simply clicking a button, and I don't know if y'all notice or not, but when I switch transitions on my scenes, it changed which scene I am in. If I go from main camera to camera 2, it switches scene to this one. Now I'm back on my main camera, and how you do that is you go to settings, you go to hotkeys, change the name of my scene so it can be better to organize. You don't have to do that, but if you want to change the name of your scene, just simply right click on it. So these are the hotkeys. I got my main camera set to 1, I got my second camera set to 2, and these are just all hotkeys. So if I press a button, put this right here, this is Q, turbulence RIZZ. Press 1, go to back to my main camera, press 2, second camera. This is my Bruno Mars edit RIZZ right here. It's on number 3, and it's just simple as that. But now I'm finna show y'all how to get audio with it. You're gonna need VoiceMod. Just look up VoiceMod on Google. It's the rest of the apps, you will find it. Basically, when you activate VoiceMod, you're gonna go to soundboard right here. Once you go to soundboard, turn on keybinds, and all you have to do is go in your file like this, or like this. I'm gonna put it right here. Alright, this gave me. Once you drag it down, you wanna add a keybind. And to turn that video y'all made into an audio, you're just gonna click select file. You're just gonna find the video you made, downloads, this, and it's gonna automatically convert it from whatever source file it is to MP3 or audio. You're just gonna convert it and it's gonna start downloading. Did you pray today? Now it's turned into an audio that we can use now on VoiceMod. And basically when you add a keybind, you're just gonna click on it and it will automatically work. Now for my turbulence RIZZ, I got on OBS, I got this set as Q, and on here I got this set as Q as well. So if I press Q on OBS, it will switch. But if I click on OBS and if I press Q, y'all should hear it. Did you pray today? Did you pray today? I can pick it down. I can put you down with some gangsta. And that is the turbulence RIZZ. Now that we did that, I am going to show you how to put it on Omegle. Okay, I'm actually going to deactivate my webcam again. Okay, now that we're all back on OBS, what you want to click on is start virtual cam. It should be down here. Click on that, virtual cam is started. What you want to do is go back to Omegle. Once you go to Omegle, you want to click video. But now see, I don't want to really talk to nobody. I know y'all wondering how do I got my camera up. You're going to click on the camera symbol that is right here. You want to click on manage. Once you go to manage, you want to scroll down and go to camera. And I currently got my OBS changed to HD camera C922, the name of it. Yours should say OBS virtual webcam. You're going to see OBS virtual webcam right here. You're going to click on it. You're going to go back. You're going to go to microphone. You're going to change your microphone to default microphone VoiceMod virtual audio device. This is how they're going to be able to hear the audio. That is very important. So, but now that I'm back on here, I'm going to show y'all the transition. Did you pray today? Did you pray today? If anybody have any more questions, join my Discord, link down below. I will happily answer anybody questions with video proof as well to help y'all out. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. My name is Lapsy, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace. She said that she wanted put one in her bed, but bitch, I'm too bad for you, girl.